Hello and welcome to Art Time with Miss Anderson. We're going to talk about shading your paper curl today. Starting with a 4, that is your lightest pencil, and then you're going to start by sketching out, remembering the fuzzy circle, you're going to sketch out rectangular shapes that represent the actual photo of what you are looking at. You're sketching out a rectangle that the loop of the paper curl could be transcribed within. Taking a closer look here at this line that I'm drawing, and that is the angle of the whole bottom. One more time, that's the angle of the entire bottom of the whole paper curl itself. Now that we've done that, we're going to come back and start chopping off pieces of the rectangle so that it will start to form into a more circular, or in this case, oval shape. Closely observing what we are actually looking at. Starting to look at the individual lines, still using straight lines here. Lines that we are not necessarily going to use at the end. Looking at the direction of the lines and the relationship of one curve of the curl to the next. Noticing that that top one comes out right in the middle of the second smaller one. That's where it sort of emerges from behind it. Yet to use any curved lines or even really contour lines. You're still light, loose, sketchy lines. At the point that you feel that you have enough information down on the page, and also that your page is becoming maybe a bit cluttered, that is when you take and erase what you've done into sort of a shadow of your original straight outlining lines. At this point, you can come in with your contour line. Using the original photo to closely observe, always glancing at it just like a contour drawing, using that close observation, but also using these guiding lines that you've created as a map on your paper. This is the beauty of outlining before doing your close observational contour drawing. Looking at the negative space between the paper curl. That one's just like a tiny little teardrop. The bigger one has the negative space that's the shape of an almond. Moving the edge as you see it, as you observe it, making small adjustments so that the final feels like the proportions are correct and they're good relationship to each other.